maintenance calories versus eating frequency and macros. Let's begin. Maintenance calories versus eating frequency and macros. So first off, we need to define maintenance calories. The mainstream definition of maintenance calories is the amount of food you can eat on a given day where you will not gain or lose weight. Okay? The amount of calories you can eat on a given fucking day where you will not gain or lose weight. Okay? Problem. The mainstream doesn't take two major fucking variables into account. Eating frequency and fucking macros. Because they don't know fuck all about fucking fat loss. So the example we're going to use today is Fat Emma. So Fat Emma's hypothetical maintenance calorie count is 500 calories a day. So Fat Emma was sitting on the fucking couch. Me and Fat Emma got together and I fed her 500 calories a day for a month and I seen that her weight did not change. Okay? But there's more details than that I had to fucking take care of. It wasn't just the calorie count. There's other fixed variables. Eating frequency of Fat Emma was 5 meals per day. The macros of Fat Emma were 40% carbs, 30% fat, 30% protein. So this is Fat Emma's maintenance calories of 500 at these fucking variables. Okay, these variables matter. As soon as you fucking change these, the maintenance calories will change. Example. Eating frequency. Okay? So right now she's at 500. Won't gain or lose weight. If I fucking took Fat Emma and I knocked her down from 5 meals a day to 1 meal a fucking day, guess what? Her maintenance calories will go up. What that means is that if I stopped her from eating all fucking day and just gave her one fucking meal with 500 calories, she would start losing weight. She would start losing weight where at the beginning, with this stuff all constant, she was maintaining. That's why we called it her maintenance calories. But soon as I bump that 5 meals a day down to 1, this fucking maintenance calories will go up. And in turn, she will lose fucking weight if she continued to eat 500 fucking calories. At fucking a 1 meal a day eating frequency and at the same macro count. Okay? So that is because of fucking insulin. Soon as you fucking decrease your eating frequency, you will burn body fat like a motherfucker because you're not spiking your insulin. When your insulin's up, your body will not burn fat worth a shit. Okay, that's why I preach the fucking steak diet, prolonged fasting, fucking number fucking one, okay? Stop fucking eating, long fucking goddamn fasting times between meals. Number one fucking way to fucking lose weight. Number 2, macros. So, Fat Emma, we had her on 40 carbs, 30% fucking fat, 30% protein, pretty mainstream macro count. Okay, we'll go back, she's still on the 5 meals a day, let's say. 500 calorie maintenance, 5 meals a day, this macro count. Leaving the fucking 5 meals a day even at 5. If we take those carbs and drop them down to 0 and go 0 carb, this calorie count maintenance will go up. And she will in turn, if she ate the same amount of calories, 500, if we drop the carbs down to 0, she will lose fucking weight. Even better, now if you go to 1 meal a fucking day, cut the carbs down to 0, so a way lower eating frequency, 0 carbs, her fucking maintenance calories will go way up, and that means if you stayed at 500, she'll lose weight like a motherfucker. Because as soon as you're cutting the carbs, you're getting into a state of ketosis. That's why the keto diet's so popular for weight loss. Okay? That's why fasting's so popular for weight loss. These two things, eating frequency and macros. Okay? Eating frequency goes down, fucking goddamn maintenance calories go up. Okay? Carbs go down, so you're in a keto routine. Maintenance calories will go up. When maintenance calories go up, that means you can eat more without gaining or losing a pound. That means you can eat more without gaining or losing a pound, meaning if you stayed on the same 500 calorie count that Fat Emma was before when she was on maintenance, she will start losing weight eating 500 calories where before she was maintaining. How fucking simple is this? I know this shit fucking because I fucking done it. Okay? When I go strict fucking zero carb keto, my maintenance calories are about 3,500 a day. Soon as I go back to a reasonable amount of carbs, my fucking maintenance calories will go down to 3,000. Meaning I can eat more food on strict fucking keto than I can eating carbs without gaining weight. And the meal frequency. You want to get really aggressive on the meal frequency? Say Fat Emma was fucking going 500 calories a day and that was maintenance. If we made her fucking meals like one meal every 3 days, where she was eating 1,500 fucking calories every 3 fucking days, technically, if she was still eating 5 meals a day at 1,500 calories throughout the fucking 3 days, that's her maintenance. But if we went to one meal every 3 days, so that'd be 1,500 calorie repeat every 3 days, she will lose weight like a motherfucker, and the calories did not change. So everybody have a great day, and stop fucking eating, fatty!